So I was at the Rona and noticed this stuff, and had in mind this shelf by the previous owners, which I'm going to restore, as well as this table, which I'm intentioning to throw out. I just got to get out of this garage, and I don't want to move it without cleaning it because it is just deathly dirty with grime. And anyway, these Gojo claws are just ripping through this stuff like nobody's business. That is like heavy, greasy, friggin' I don't know what. And look at this. This is even thicker, and it's just ripping right through it. Oh my God! It's the first time I've used these things. I got 2 claws there and a bit of water. They come moist, but you add a bit of water. This is crazy. It's just ripping through this stuff. I'm totally hooked on these because I was scrubbing with Mr. Clean and those blue shop towels and some of the other stuff, and it takes a good bit of cleaning. But these things are just insane. Oh my gosh. I had no idea I'd be able to get this clean. Anyway, good job for the Gojo claws, man. I'm totally impressed. Alright, so it says it comes with 72 towels. I didn't count, but I guess I used probably 7 or 8. And this is really clean. It needs a wipe with one of those blue shop towels, the heavy duty ones. Just a wipe with that now, and I don't have those handy. I'm not sure what I did with them. But really good job for this. I don't remember the price, but I wouldn't have bought it if I thought it was going to be getting locked into something that's a stupid price. So it was reasonable. 72, it might have been 12 bucks or 15 bucks, I don't know. 72 towels. So 3, if I use 7 or 8 of them, it's about 10%. So I might have spent $1.20, $1.50 cleaning that desk. So, and look at it. I haven't gotten through this yet. It looks like it might be melted on tar. I don't know what it is, but other than that, everything came really clean.